Hey guys, it's Immersat. Before I get on with the video, I just want to say I apologize for being late. Basically what happened is that like a crap ton of schoolwork has literally been spammed into my schedule. It's getting spammed into my practically everything, so that is literally getting into the way, especially with one godforsaken fucking teacher that wouldn't give a shit, and basically she's spamming the crap out of her assignments, and worst of all, she doesn't even grade my work even though I did it. So I told her, and no, she ignored me and all that crap. That was a while back, but whatever, it's still an issue. Other than that, trying to get in with my free time with this stuff right here, it's getting a bit messy, but I'm trying to work my ass off to this and trying to fix this issue. So there we go. Now I have time to make another video. Anyways guys, recently I got RGB lights set up in my setup, and I'm going to show you guys how to install them. To be honest, it's quite easy than how most people would put it, and you can practically have a very stunningly lighted room in it with a cheap kit. I'll mention the kit later in the video, so stay tuned for that. So anyways guys, before I start, I just wanted to say subscribe and hit the bell to stay up to date, share my videos, and check out my other videos, and my second channel, TwoSat, for off-topic stuff, obviously. That's where I post my edits on there, maybe off-topic commentaries later, so check out and subscribe, hit the bell, and all that good stuff. It would really help out my channels, really. Anyways guys, let's get straight into it. So first off, before you buy RGB strips, obviously you're going to make sure you measure your room first so you can pick the appropriate length for your RGB strips and the appropriate length based on your room setup. Otherwise, you're just going to have an incomplete setup, which is something you do not want to have, honestly, because right here and to my left, my RGB strips are fucking incomplete, unfortunately, and it kind of hurts to see that, but at this point, I am used to it. So if you messed it up, that sucks for you. Just return it or something, I don't know, or get used to it like me, but I plan to fix that up later. Anyways, I'm already getting off topic here, so let me try to get this. For me, I chose the shortest available, which is 16 inches. I cheaped out, so setup is practically incomplete as of now. So also what you want to do is plan out where you want to put your RGB as well. That's also very important. You want to picture in your mind or map it out on some paper or a visual of any sort of kind, because it's very important to see where you want to put your RGB so you're not left out dazzling in the skies wondering what the hell did I buy RGB for and where to put it. So you don't want to be in that situation. Now, once you have planned out and you have bought your lights, congratulations. It is time for the fun part. It's now time to install these lights. First, I'm going to go over the light bulbs. So the brand, I will mention the brand. So these are the Govee RGB light bulbs, which are around 23 bucks on Amazon as of now for a 2-pack. Because my setup is upstairs, I have 2 ceiling light bulbs, one on the top, one on the side, on the other side. I bought that so I can get evenly illuminated lighting, so I don't have to buy as much RGB. So once you have all that ready, it is now time to replace the light bulbs. First step obviously is to install these light bulbs. You're going to need a ladder, obviously, so any type of ladder will work as long as you can reach those bulbs up there. And once you have that, you're ready to go. You might as well make sure you have cleaned up everything first in your room. Also, one more thing, before you're going to install these bulbs, make sure to wait around 5 to 10 minutes for the bulbs to cool down, so you don't want to be touching a hot bulb. So that's another tip I would give you. So let's get straight into it. To remove a bulb, turn it counterclockwise until it turns loose. Insert the new bulb and slowly turn it clockwise until it is tight. And that's practically it. Pretty much very simple and easy. Because I have 2 bulbs, I will do the same thing for the other side. All done. Now that I have gone over the bulbs, it's time for me to go over the RGB strips, where it gives 50% performance boosts. That makes a lot of sense. I bought the Govee RGB strips because 1, they are cheap, and 2, they have a lot of settings which I have heard. Unfortunately, these are the versions without the section RGB settings, which I found out days after I ordered it, unfortunately. What the fuck? But anyways, to install these strips, you're going to have to peel a small section of the tape and then start sticking the strips to the surface. Sometimes it may be recommended to clean the surface so that the adhesive can stick well. Also, make sure that these strips are not in an askew. That's also important. Because mine will just be a glow, this wouldn't matter as much. Also, you might want to use those things that I aforementioned beforehand, because if you're going to be doing something like a TV, because like if you want backlit on your TV, then you're going to need to have that, because from what I have heard, if you try to loop it, it will just have like a clump of lights on that corner, which doesn't look good. I've seen one before. But yeah, that's what the video mentioned, so I'm gonna try to link the video in the link in the description. Because mine will be just a glow like this, like a linear glow, it wouldn't matter to me that much. The box comes with these, the little strip aligners for the corner RGB. That's what like what I said. Sometimes you might need that, but for me, I didn't need those. Keep peeling and placing the strips into your preferred surface in your preferred setup until you are out of strips. Now that you are done with the installation, it is time to set up with the app that your strips came with. If it came with a remote, that's fine. Sometimes they can be pretty shit, but I haven't used those before, but really, just, yeah. For me, I installed the Govee Home on my phone so I can control the colors and effects on my phone. That's literally the point of the app. After that's done, I add my lights to the app, and then I practically customize the hell out of it. Well, the lights are completely set up. For the price of these, I am very amused at how pretty and amazing these turned out to be for the cheap price it came with. I really recommend this brand because of how cheap and affordable and how accessible this can be and how easy it is to install. It literally comes with a significant amount of features, like it literally has a mic so you can like have a disco rave party if that's all what you're all about, but that's really cool. Anyways guys, thanks for watching this video. If you really enjoyed, of course, please leave a like and subscribe and watch all my other videos and share them, as it would really help out my small ass channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my second channel, TrueSat, as I upload off-topic stuff and edits on there and some off-topic commentaries as well. Follow my Twitter to stay up to date. And anyways guys, this is Emersat, and good night.